From our Stars and Dogs segment, it's time for this week's Star.
Star of the week, which is Starrex International, STX on the CSE or Canadian Securities Exchange. So the stock gained approximately 21% in the week and is up about 61% in the last month, where it now trades at about $1.95 and has a market cap of about $31 million. So it's definitely, a micro cap. So Starrex is a national provider of real estate appraisal and credit reporting services to mortgage lenders and brokers in the United States. It had essentially two segments, including its MFI Credit Solutions, which offered full service credit reporting agency with resources from all three national credit agencies, including TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian, as well as it had its Property Interlink and Reliable Valuation, which is a full service appraisal management company for mortgage financing. However, driving the share price gains is the recent announcement on November 8th that the business closed the transaction selling its real estate appraisal management business, which are those last two that I just noted there, the Property Interlink and Reliable Valuation service. So the net proceeds from the sale of the business after tax and all expenses, including retention and change of control payments, are estimated to be about $6.2 million US. So they've sold that division off. They're going to get the 6.2 million. But if we look at the first 6 months of the year, those two subsidiaries that they just recently sold, the Property Interlink and Reliable Valuation, consisted of approximately 75% of total revenue. But this segment did have slim to negative margins, while its MFI Credit Solutions segment was generating net income margins of about 3.3% in the first 6 months of the year. So not substantial, but at least that side of the business was profitable. Now, the CEO did come out and say, we are extremely pleased to have closed this transaction and appreciate the trust our shareholders have placed in the management team to allow us to proceed with the transaction. We look forward to reporting on our efforts as we redeploy our capital in securing new opportunities in the real estate title industry and building additional value for the company and our shareholders. So following the transaction, the company should have about $8 million US in cash to deploy and no debt, but its operations are changing significantly with the largest part of its business no longer there. But the market seems to be excited about the company's new direction, but essentially we'll have to wait and see what the company purchases. Like management said, shareholders are really placing the trust in management to execute on something that is potentially accretive. And lastly, I just want to note that the company is very, very thinly traded, so it will likely remain volatile. But, the sale and the market getting excited has made it our star of the week.
Yeah, I would say the company, based on the cash balances there and the existing business, it's the market got a little bit overexcited, to be honest. I would say, because it's what you said, the cash balance would be 8 million or something.
About 8 million US, yes.
8 million. Well, the market cap I think is 30 something million, right?
Yeah.
33, and the operating business that's left, it is profitable, but small, is it not?
It's very small. Yeah, I believe that it's only like 2 million revenue or something.
I would say that the market has got a little bit excited. I think it may have something to do with the average volume over the last 3 months is like under 600 shares.
Yeah.
So
and that's why
I think that just if 3 people wanted to buy the stock, it might go up 20% tomorrow, right? So I think that's part of the what's had the share price go up. But yeah, it's an interesting sale, and we kept the market up to date on that.